Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and pretty looking pattern. This pattern can be used in your baby sweater, lady sweater, cardigan, shawl, scarf. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast on multiples of 11 plus 1 extra stitch. We don't have separate 2 edge stitch for this pattern. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast on multiples of 11 and plus 1 extra stitch only. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 23 stitches on my needle, which is 11 plus 11 22 and 1 extra stitch 23. So row 1 right side, purl all stitches because this is right side. So your edge stitch knit through the back loop or front loop, you can do both. Knit through the front back loop, I'm gonna knit through the back loop and purl all stitches. Row 1 first row, purl all stitches. And your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, knit all stitches. Slip your edge stitch and knit all stitches. Edge stitch and in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over, knit 1 2 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 2 times, 1 2, and then knit 6 with 2 times wrapped yarn. 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 2 3 1 2 4 1 2 5 1 2 6. Knit 6 with 2 times wrapped yarn and then knit 1, yarn over 2 times, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2 times, and then one more time knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. This is 11 stitch pattern. 2 4 6 8 10, sorry, that's the repeat. So we have done for repeat pattern, we have done yarn over, this is the slip stitch, and your for the repeat pattern. So that's the repeat, right? Repeat pattern starts from here and in here. So this is the slip stitch, first stitch, and then the repeat pattern is yarn over, knit 1 2 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, and then knit 6 with 2 times wrapped yarn, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then knit 1, yarn over 2 times, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, and then knit 1. This is the repeat pattern, and you are going to repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Yarn over, knit 1 2 times, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, and then knit 6 with 2 times left yarn, 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 2 3 1 2 4 1 2 5 1 2 6 times, and then knit 1, yarn over 2 times, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, and then knit 1. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, slip the first stitch and then purl 4 and slip the first stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 4 and then slip 6 and wrap this 6 and slip 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, slip 6 and then purl 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, slip 6 2 4 slip 6 2 4 6 and then purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the repeat pattern. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4, slip 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then purl 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, or you can slip this stitch on the wrong side. I am slipping this edge stitch, last stitch, right? Purl 5. And now row 5. For row 5, your first stitch, knit through the back loop. This is the one extra stitch, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4 and then this 6 stitch 2 4 6, this 6 stitch knit through the back loop, and we're going to knit this 6 together and make 2 here. Knit through the back loop first like so, and then knit through the front loop. And then knit 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 6 together and make 2 here, and knit 5, 2 4 5. Repeat that again. Knit 4 1 2 3 4, knit 6 together and make 2 here, 2 4 6, knit 6 together and make 2 stitch here, 1, knit through the back loop first and then knit through the front loop, and knit 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. For row 7, knit all stitches. Knit 8, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.